Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of parsley. Whether you sprinkle it on your dishes for that burst of green, or have yet to discover its potential, you're in for a treat. Join us as we unravel the health secrets hidden in this unassuming herb and learn how it can elevate not just the flavor of your meals, but also your overall well-being. But before we jump into the kitchen, let's explore the wealth of nutrients packed into each leaf. From immune-boosting vitamins to bone-strengthening minerals, parsley isn't just a garnish, it's a nutritional powerhouse. So grab a seat, grab a snack, and let's embark on a journey through the lush world of parsley and its myriad health benefits. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you might just look at this herb in a whole new light. Let's begin. First and foremost, let's delve deep into how parsley can contribute to heart health. One standout feature of parsley is its high vitamin K content. Vitamin K is crucial for proper blood clotting and bone health. Maintaining adequate levels of vitamin K can positively influence cardiovascular health by supporting proper blood coagulation. Parsley boasts an impressive array of antioxidants, including flavonoids and vitamin C. Antioxidants combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body, which are linked to cardiovascular diseases. By neutralizing free radicals, parsley may play a role in reducing the risk of heart-related issues. Folate, a B vitamin found in parsley, is associated with cardiovascular health. Adequate folate levels contribute to the breakdown of homocysteine, an amino acid that, when elevated, is linked to an increased risk of heart disease. Parsley's folate content may thus contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system. Potassium is a vital mineral for heart health, as it helps regulate blood pressure. Parsley contains potassium, and a diet rich in potassium is associated with lower blood pressure levels. Maintaining a balanced potassium to sodium ratio is essential for cardiovascular well-being. Some studies suggest that certain compounds in parsley may contribute to managing cholesterol levels. While more research is needed, early findings hint at parsley potentially playing a role in supporting healthy lipid profiles. To reap the heart-healthy benefits of parsley, consider incorporating it into your meals regularly. Add it to salads, blend it into smoothies, or use it as a garnish for various dishes. This simple addition can infuse your meals with both flavor and a dose of heart-loving nutrients. What's more, parsley is a powerhouse of vitamin K, a key player in bone health. Vitamin K is essential for proper blood clotting and is involved in the synthesis of proteins that regulate bone mineralization. Consuming an adequate amount of vitamin K, which parsley provides, can contribute to maintaining strong and healthy bones. The minerals found in parsley, including calcium and phosphorus, are fundamental for maintaining bone mineral density. Calcium, in particular, is a well-known building block of bones. While parsley may not be as rich in calcium as some dairy products, every bit contributes to your overall calcium intake. Folate, a B vitamin present in parsley, is not only beneficial for heart health, but also plays a role in supporting bone integrity. It is involved in DNA synthesis and repair, processes vital for the growth and maintenance of bone tissue. Now let's explore how parsley can lend its support to the immune system. It's a fantastic source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant known for its immune-boosting properties. Vitamin C supports the production of white blood cells, crucial components of the immune system that help defend the body against infections and illnesses. Parsley has diuretic properties that may assist in flushing out toxins from the body. While not a direct immune system booster, supporting the body's natural detoxification processes can contribute to overall health and indirectly support immune function. Parsley provides a spectrum of nutrients, including vitamins A, K, and folate, as well as minerals like iron and copper. These nutrients collectively contribute to overall health and wellness, supporting the body's immune defenses. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. But wait, there is more. Parsley has long been recognized for its diuretic properties, meaning it has the ability to increase urine production. This can be attributed to compounds such as apiol and myristicin, as well as the herb's rich potassium content. Diuretics promote the elimination of excess salt and water from the body, potentially aiding in the management of conditions like edema, fluid retention. By promoting increased urine output, parsley may contribute to maintaining a healthy fluid balance in the body. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals who experience mild fluid retention or swelling. Unlike some synthetic diuretics that can lead to potassium loss, parsley contains potassium, an essential mineral for various bodily functions. The presence of potassium helps counterbalance the potential loss of this important electrolyte during increased urine production. Lastly, parsley is a good source of dietary fiber, which plays a crucial role in supporting digestive health. Fiber adds bulk to the stool, aiding in the smooth passage of food through the digestive tract. This can help prevent constipation and promote regular bowel movements. As mentioned earlier, parsley has diuretic properties that can help eliminate excess water and salt from the body. This may contribute to reducing bloating and water retention, providing a sense of comfort in the digestive system. Parsley contains compounds with carminative properties, meaning it may help alleviate gas and bloating. Chewing fresh parsley or consuming parsley tea after a meal may assist in the digestive process and reduce discomfort associated with gas. Adding fresh parsley to meals not only enhances the flavor, but can also contribute to the overall palatability of a dish. Enjoying your food is an essential aspect of the digestive process, and herbs like parsley can make meals more enjoyable. Parsley's anti-inflammatory properties may contribute to a healthier digestive system by reducing inflammation. Chronic inflammation in the digestive tract can lead to various gastrointestinal issues, and incorporating anti-inflammatory foods like parsley may offer relief. To support digestive health, consider incorporating parsley into your meals. Chop fresh parsley and add it to salads, soups, stews, and various dishes. You can also infuse parsley into teas, or use it to make flavorful sauces and dressings. Individuals with a history of kidney stones or certain medical conditions should consult with a healthcare professional before significantly increasing their parsley intake, as parsley contains oxalates that could contribute to stone formation in susceptible individuals. And there you have it, folks. The incredible journey through the health benefits of parsley. It's clear that parsley is more than just a garnish. It's a nutritional powerhouse. Remember, the key to reaping the benefits of parsley is to make it a delicious part of your daily meals. Whether you're tossing it in a salad, blending it into a smoothie, or sprinkling it on your favorite dishes, parsley is a versatile herb that can elevate your culinary experience while supporting your well-being. See you tomorrow in the next video. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.